Using Cadmate TAKEOFF, we will be able to calculate the duct area. Select the duct area option from the Operation tab. A dialog box opens with couple of options. Under the duct type, we have the calculations for 3 different types of ducts: rectangular, circular, and elliptical. If you have a complete line drawing of the duct, you can directly enter the height and do the calculations. On the other hand, if you have only the line drawing, you can select linear duct from the option and then enter the height and width for the calculation. Now enter the name, select the color, and enter the height. Once all the parameters are selected, click Select. Pick the first point, then the other end, and then click and drag till the required length. Once we reach the end point, right-click and select Complete Action, or click Enter to update the values in the table. Here you can see the total duct area, as well as the length, width and height of the duct. Now let's say, if we are calculating the area for a circular duct, you need to enter the diameter of the duct, then once we fill in all the parameters you can click Select. Select the first and second point, then select the end point and click Enter to update the values in the table. Same process applies for the elliptical duct. On the other hand, if the layout is indicated with a single line, you can choose linear duct from the option. Enter the height and width. As you can see, the height is 750, which will be 0.75, and the width 400, which will be 0.4. Then click Select and start tracing on top of the unit. Once done, right-click and select Complete Action or click Enter. The calculations will be recorded in the dialog box. Similarly, you can carry the calculations for the rest of the items. Calculations can also be accessed from the Workspace window. You can export the results to Excel from the Export XLS option.